Get rich off the fundamentals and get poor off the complicated crap. Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another edition of Working Out with Jim. Because I already let the chickens out, and my daughter was like, hey man, you need to make another video. So I had an interesting meeting this morning with a friend of mine across the pond, and we were talking about her funnel, her lead generation funnel. And you know, we've been trying some different stuff, and we decided today, you know what, let's get back to the fundamentals. We got a little bit out there, and I'm super excited about what's going to happen now with her business, because we're getting back to the fundamentals. So, hey Daryl, so let's talk for just a second. When you work out, there are basically 5 things that you do. You can make it as complicated as you want, but it basically comes down to push, pull, core, legs, and cardio. That's it. All the complicated stuff comes down to those 5 things when you're working out. When it comes to selling stuff online, whatever you sell, your book, your software, your coaching, your service, your expertise, your consulting, whatever, it comes down to hooking in your audience, grabbing them, selling them with a story, and then having a great offer. The cool thing though is that you can do it a bunch of different ways, the hook, and we'll talk for a minute about the hook, because that's the one where you can start getting a little complicated. The hook basically comes down to, you're going to hook them with a problem, you're going to hook them with a desire, or you're going to hook them with both. So that's the big thing that you need to test right up front. So as you know, a hook can be a headline, a hook can be a question, a hook can be a picture. But the big thing with the hook is that the purpose of it is to grab the right people. Sorry, I'm getting a little out of breath. The purpose is to hook the people, grab the right people, pre-frame the people the right way. And what we learned this morning is sometimes you can go too far one way or another with your hook, as far as only concentrating on a problem. And then the problem with that is that you are eliminating the people who aren't necessarily having that problem, or won't admit that they have that problem, or don't realize they have that problem. Whereas with a desire, a lot of times a desire can be more universal. So you might not have elbow pain, but if you're in my tribe, you definitely want to improve or increase your number of pull-ups and push-ups. So if somebody was advertising something that was like reduce elbow pain, if I don't have elbow pain, I'm not going to be interested. But no matter where you are in your level of push-ups or pull-ups, you're going to want to always improve or increase it. So having a hook that basically said, increase your pull-ups or push-ups in less than 2 weeks by 20%, or increase your pull-ups or push-ups by 20% or more in less than 2 weeks, that would grab my attention. Whereas right now, I don't have any elbow pain, thank you Lord. If I saw something about elbow pain, I wouldn't pay attention. But what if, now here's the distinction, what if I saw something that said, massively increase your pull-ups or push-ups in less than 2 weeks and avoid or eliminate elbow pain? Now we got something, because that's going to activate all the people that want the desire, and it's going to grab the people who have the problem, or who have had the problem in the past and want to avoid it again. So my point is, just looking at the fundamentals, not worrying about having animated crap on your page or things that are just all the complicated stuff, just the fundamental stuff. How to get pleasure without pain, how to get pleasure and avoid pain, focusing on that hook, focusing on the story, focusing on making an amazing offer. That's how you get rich. It's when you get caught up in a whole bunch of other crap that's just complicating the things that we know work. That's when you're going to run into problems. So think about the fundamentals. What is the single biggest desire that people have that you're targeting? What's the single biggest pain that they want to avoid? And hit them not with one or the other, but try hitting them with both. So that's today's working out with Jim lesson. I got to go stretch. Hey, that's kind of one of them double entendres. Working out with Jim in the gym. Okay, everybody have a great day. Go join my Facebook group if you're not a member already, because we do some really cool stuff in there. And have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.